This slide shows the transform of a travel time into effective porosity. DTC is the sonic log reading at a level in a reservoir. DTC-MA is the matrix travel time. This you'd have to look up in the chart book or in our handbook for petrophysics to find out what the mineral travel time is. You'll notice a shale term, V shale, that's the volume of shale, and delta T C of the shale. All of these would have to be known, and delta TC of shale can be found right off the log. Volume of shale we would find by calculating the shale volume from the gamma ray or the SP log. And there's also a water term, DTCW, in there. And that term will vary a little bit with whether the invading fluid into the reservoir, that's the drilling fluid, is fairly fresh mud or fairly salty mud. So all of these terms would have to be determined by the log analyst and stuffed into the equation to do the calculation. The log does not read porosity directly. No log does that. When there's no shale, the equation does get considerably simplified. However, in sands and shaly sands, you must do the shale correction.